we reviewed plenty of extension cords, outlet stuff, surge protectors. This might be the best one or the most convenient one that we will have. Link will be in the description. This is one that goes behind the couch. If you do this behind your couch, trying to reach, doing all of that, we don't have to do that no more. Pause it, do what you got to do, read it. Now let's get into it. Once you unbox, you have the main attraction. Well, this ain't really the main attraction because we got plenty of these, right? We actually reviewed one that had night lights and all of that stuff. So this is not the main attraction. This is the main attraction. This is the main attraction. And this is the main attraction. All right. Now, yes, this is a main attraction too, you guys, but this is not important. This is important. This is amazing, you guys. I don't have to reach behind the couch. You can actually push your couch in further now. Three prongs. See right there how the connection goes? Did I put it right? No, upside down. And then push it in just like that. Now you have your 3-prong plug right here. Connect that right there. 360 degree of turning. Amazing. So if you want it in the angle, if you want it on the right of the couch, you can do whatever you want to do to your imagination. All right, you guys, so this will be the last time you have to go behind your couch. Unplugging this, plug this in, and you can be satisfied. I'm going to actually put it on the bottom one because I'm not going to come back here again. All right, you guys, let me show y'all. You have your 5 outlets right there. USB regular, USB Type-C's. You have your switch right there, on and off. You got 360 degrees. So if your couch was a smaller couch, if you want it to the left, you can put it to the left, to the right. All right. And to keep this where it needs to be, you push your couch back to it. This offers surge protection with an on and off switch to avoid unnecessary power. And it provides a 1440J of surge protection. All right, so you do have your on and off switch right there. So the 2 USB Type-C ports offer you 20 watts of power. And the USB-A, or you could just say regular USB, it offers you 18 watts of power. So don't expect hooking these up to your laptop and, you know, expecting your laptop to charge. You still have to hook your laptop up to your 65 watt block, but you can still plug it in here. This is not even my regular yet. I still haven't charged my phone or my tablet. So I got my tablet there, my phone right here. I can charge more stuff, but right now I have my fan hooked up. So when I'm laying down looking at videos and stuff, I have, you know, enough air to hit me right there. And then I have my connection right there to connect to my laptop. So my laptop is being charged here. I have another outlet running all the way out here. We reviewed this outlet before. I know it's irrelevant, but on and off, blah, blah, blah. And yeah, so this is amazing. This is what's needed. You guys definitely get this. You don't have to reach behind the couch no more. If you need to be portable, you can just go ahead, take it off nice and easy. Again, you have to push your couch real tight. I don't have it real tight, so it's still loose a little bit, but push your couch real tight and then it will not move at all. And when you're done, just go ahead, click it off. When you click it off, my fan just went off and my laptop start charging. So that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.